What is WorldRemit and how does it work? WorldRemit is designed for international money transfers where the recipient may need more than one payout option. The WorldRemit explanation looks at international transfer steps, delivery methods, recipient options, costs, timing, and the details that change the experience. First, decide how the money should arrive. WorldRemit is an online international money transfer service mainly used to send funds to friends and family. The sender creates the transfer through the WorldRemit app or website. The recipient normally does not need to open a WorldRemit account. Instead, the sender chooses from the delivery options available for that destination. A bank transfer places the money into an eligible account. Cash pickup allows the recipient to collect it from a participating location. Mobile money sends the funds to a supported wallet connected to the recipient's phone number. Some routes also offer airtime top-up, which adds credit to a prepaid mobile phone. This is not the same as sending withdrawable money, so it should only be selected when phone credit is genuinely what the recipient needs. Not every country supports every method. The available choices appear after the destination is selected. Each delivery method requires different details. A bank deposit usually requires the recipient's full legal name, account number, bank information, and any additional details requested for that country. For cash pickup, the name entered by the sender should match the recipient's identification exactly. The recipient may also need a transaction reference and an accepted identity document before the money can be released. Mobile money and airtime top-ups depend heavily on the phone number. One incorrect digit could send the value to the wrong account or create a delay that is difficult to fix. That number should be confirmed directly with the recipient rather than copied from an old message or contact record. After entering the recipient's information, the sender chooses one of the funding methods offered for that transfer. Depending on the country, this may include a bank account, debit card, credit card, or another supported option. Read the quote from the recipient's side. Before confirmation, WorldRemit displays the amount being sent, the transfer fee, the exchange rate, the expected recipient amount, and an estimated delivery time. The visible fee is only part of the calculation. When two currencies are involved, the exchange rate also changes how much arrives. A service can advertise a low fee while providing a less favorable conversion. The clearest number is therefore the amount the recipient is expected to get. When comparing WorldRemit with another service, use the same payment method, destination, and recipient amount. Otherwise, the comparison may be misleading. The funding method can also affect both price and speed. A card may produce a different quote from a bank-funded transfer even when the destination and delivery method remain the same. What happens between payment and delivery? Once the sender confirms the transfer, WorldRemit carries out processing, security, and compliance checks. Some transactions may reach the recipient quickly. Others can take longer because of the payment method, receiving bank, local partner, weekend schedules, incomplete information, or an additional identity review. WorldRemit may request documents or further details from the sender. That does not necessarily mean the transfer has failed. It may simply need verification before it can continue. The sender can follow the transaction through the app or website. For cash pickup, the recipient should wait until the transfer is confirmed as ready before traveling to the collection location. An estimated time is useful, but the current transaction status is what matters. When WorldRemit is most practical. WorldRemit is particularly useful when the sender wants a fully online process, but the recipient needs a local way to access the money. A relative with a bank account may prefer a direct deposit. Someone without convenient banking access may need cash pickup. In regions where mobile wallets are widely used, mobile money can remove the need to travel anywhere. The service is mainly intended for personal remittances. It should not automatically be used to pay an unfamiliar seller or respond to someone creating pressure around an emergency, price, refund, or account problem. Before confirming, verify the recipient independently and review the cancellation conditions. Once the money has been deposited, collected, or fully processed, recovering it may no longer be possible. This is general information, not personalized financial or legal advice. Fees, limits, exchange rates, delivery delivery methods and processing times depend on the transfer route and can change. The next guide on screen moves from this WorldRemit overview to the next decision,